Hello guys, welcome to this screencast. Okay, we're going to make a little review about what we have seen in these 2 days, okay? About the hair and the eyes and the way you're going to write the sentence, okay? So first of all, we're going to watch a video and follow the song, okay? Very good. So let's start it.
I have a star, and you have a star. He has a heart, and she has a heart. We have stars and they have hearts. We have stars and they have hearts. It has a star. It has a star. I have a heart, and you have a heart. We have hearts and they have stars. We have hearts and they have stars. I have a heart, and you have a heart. We have hearts.
Very good. Okay, we listen and watch the video, and then we have information about that. You remember, like I have. So we are going to continue with this. Okay, so let's start it. Very good. We have these. Look over there. The hair. It's what? It's blonde. Very good. So what is the important thing that you remember from the last song? They, what? Have. Excellent. Have. It's important that you remember. They have blonde hair. Excellent. We are going to work with another sentence. But remember, we have they have. Excellent. Very good. So next, we are going to continue with the next picture. Let's see. She has a straight brown hair. Okay, look at the picture. Look at the picture. Look that she has a straight brown hair. But the important thing is that I notice that she goes with what? Has. Very good. Okay, let's continue with the next example. He has brown hair. So in this sentence, we put he with has. Excellent. Very good. Okay, so he has. The next, she has blue eyes. Look at the picture. Okay, she has blue eyes. And let's remember that she goes with has. Very good. Okay, and then we are going to continue with the next activity. I have black and purple hair. Obviously, look at the picture, and it's black and purple, and we have I. I goes with, what is next? Have. Very good. Okay, so I have black and purple hair. So the next one. I have green eyes. Then I will check that I goes with have. Very good. Okay, so let's check the next sentences. We have I, and then you know, I what? I have. Excellent. And then let's read the sentence. I have long, straight, black hair. First of all, we have, okay, el tamaño, ¿ok? El tamaño, ok, long. Luego, quedamos que después va la forma, ¿ok? A straight, very good, así, lacio, ¿verdad? Ok, and then the color, black hair. Y como yo estoy haciendo esa oración, entonces tendría que poner mi dibujo, ¿no? ¡Ah! ¿Qué tal, Sí tengo así, ¿verdad? Long, straight, black hair. ¡Charan! Okay, very good. So let's continue with the next example. So now you remember that I goes with have. Okay, very good. Now the next one. She what? Exactly, she has short, curly, red hair. Very good. And look at the picture. Obviously, it's a she, and the hair is short, and it's curly, like the hair of Alexandra. Very good. And red. Okay, we have red. Here is it the red hair. Very good. The next example, let's check. Okay, tell me. Very good. It goes with has. Excellent. He has light brown eyes. Ah, pues sí, porque look at the eyes of this handsome man. Okay, it's light brown. Mine are brown. Okay, but he has light brown, así más claritos, ¿verdad? Very good. Now let's go to the next example. They, do you remember in the song and in the other exercises? They have, excellent, they have short black hair. Okay, and we have to use they because we have two. ¿Y se acuerdan que ya después de dos, we are going to say they. Very good. Okay, so here I'm going to give you an example of a picture. A ver ahora. We have to write the sentence. Okay. Como ya son bien inteligentes, van a poder hacerlo. So look. It's a boy or a girl? A girl. So what are you gonna write? ¿Cómo vas a empezar? With? Ah, very good. She. Y recordemos, ¿con qué va she? You have to write she with has. Excellent. Has. And then you have to write, ¿qué va primero? Tamaño. Excellent. Very good. Okay, what size is it? Short. Excellent. Short. What color? Now, brown. Excellent. And it's about the hair. Very good. So then you know how to answer. She has short brown hair. Very good. So guys, you know, it's so easy how to do the activities. So what you are gonna do, if you want, you can watch this video again and again and again just to help you and remember how to write the sentences, and remember that I goes with have. Very good. That he goes with has. Excellent. She goes with has, and they goes with have. Very good. So then with this video you can answer your worksheet. Okay, so let's do it, and you can do it better than ever. Goodbye.